Hey guys, welcome to another video. I didn't post a video for a good time, maybe 1 week or two, I can't remember, but let's drive on. As you can see here, today was a clean shot, like just in two candles. So yeah, and you see price just came from the 4-hour zone, and in this open was like crazy candle without top and bottom wick, as you can see. And yeah, we just continued with the momentum. And as you can see here on the 4-hour, I will delete all the zones. And when we came to the chart, this candle is still open, okay? This candle still open. And basically, what I want to focus more on to mark the zones is basically, as for example here, this is the current leg before the session, okay? From there to here, okay? This is my leg, okay? And when we focus on the current leg, basically we need to check to the left, okay? Because this candle still open, so we don't have a resistance yet here. So what I need to do is look to the left. And when I go to the left, I have here a support, okay? The support is formed by a bearish and a bullish candle, as you can see here. And basically, this was a break, and my entry was a retest of this level, basically. But yeah, this is not a rule. So yeah, let's focus on the top-down analysis. So yeah, this is my current leg. I don't have a resistance yet until this candle close bearish. So I check to the left and I have this on here, okay? My support for the session was basically this here, okay? Yeah, this here. Because what? A bullish and a bearish formed a resistance, and basically this is my zone. We have a gap. This is the same as, imagine you have a bullish candle open here and closed here. But yeah, on the broker we have a gap. But yeah, extremely bullish. And when you reach the chart and you see the chart like this with the gap and many momentum to the upside, you think this is impossible to sell here because will be a loss for sure. But you know, the probabilities of price make a pullback after this huge momentum to the upside is higher, okay? And the thing is, price need at least to react from the 4-hour roadblocks. As you can see here, we have a roadblock. So what price did? Failed to close above, so this still a resistance, and price just closed below. Okay, so next we go to the 5 minutes. And on the 5 minutes, price before the this open was in the consolidation inside the 4-hour, okay? And what this means for me is this can be a possible start of a downtrend or a down move, okay? Because yeah, price just flew, okay, from here. The London session basically was just flying, and next consolidation, and next we have like a distribution, you can see here. And yeah, basically this is a sell zone, because why? I don't buy inside the resistance. So for me, a buy will be if price break and retest of the 4-hour. So basically for buys, I need price to, imagine the index open is here, price need to break the 4-hour and this refined zone, retest and continue. But what price did instead of that was, I had here my support, is here, okay? I had here my support, and the next zone was, I had like multiple zones to look for sales. I had this one too, and I had this one too, and I had this one too, okay? This is all formed by bearish and bullish candles that form the supports, and basically we had like 3 consecutive zones. Okay, we have more below, but it's too far, so don't worry to mark. So yeah, basically in this open closed below this zone here. Okay, we are below the moving average, so we look only for sales below the moving average and below the 4-hour. So yeah, basically first I had my 50 pips here. My limit order was here because why? We had a break and I was okay, maybe price will go to here, but on the last seconds of this candle I saw price like so near to this breaking this zone here. So what I did, okay, maybe it's better to prepare this trade here because it's more close to the candle closure. Okay, and yeah, basically was what I did. So I was like, yeah, needed to focus and think like fast, because imagine we have a break and retest of this zone, but price was like so close to close below this zone. But yeah, was from this break, retest, TP in what, 2 candles, so 10 minutes. So yeah guys, this strategy is very simple. It's not mechanical, but the rules are like mechanical because it's every day the same thing. It's very simple to do and to execute. So this month we are in positive now. The last week was trash, the trash price action, but my strategy avoided many trash price action. So I just enter when basically the price is with volume, what is very good, and I have like many filters to the strategy to enter like A+ all the time. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the video. The strategy is every time the same thing. Is very simple. I just trade 1 hour. 1 hour was what made me funded, what made me receiving payouts. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for me to bring more videos, and like the video to help me to grow my channel. And see you guys to the next video. Hope you have a nice week.